Welcome to Timeless Sparks, where great stories never grow old. Today we share the epic of the Swiss family Robinson. Our journey begins in the shadow of the Napoleonic Wars as this Swiss family sets sail for a new life, a new colony. Morning breaks, the storm relented. Their battered ship, wrecked but on a reef, land in sight. Salvaging what they can, they fashion a raft and paddle toward the untouched shore. The island, lush and wild, awaits them. Their first task is survival, and on the sand's edge they build a temporary shelter. But soon Father's keen eye discovers a colossal fig tree, its branches reaching towards the sky. As a family, they heave and hammer, transforming the great tree into a remarkable dwelling. They christen it Falconhurst, their fortress among the leaves, a symbol of ingenuity and unity. What follows is a parade of discoveries. Days fold into weeks as the island's secrets reveal themselves. The boys, each in their way, thrive. Together, the family forges bridges over rivers, carves a kitchen cave in the rocks, and invents clever contraptions to ease their lives. Challenges never far. Hyenas prowl in the night. Crocodiles lurk in hidden streams. Once Jack's laughter turns to panic as he slips into a crocodile-infested river, only to be saved by Fritz's quick thinking and courage. The island seasons pass. The family celebrates each Sunday with hymns, gratitude, and prayer.
God has not abandoned us. He has given us this trial to become stronger together.
One evening, a distant fire's glow kindles new hope. Emboldened by curiosity, Fritz and Ernest set out to investigate. What they find changes everything. A lone survivor, Jenny Montrose, weathered by isolation yet unbroken. Welcomed into their fold, Jenny brings her story and her warmth. Years roll on. Falconhurst stands strong. Jenny and Fritz, devoted companions, find love in each other. Yet as they gaze toward the endless ocean, wonder stirs. Will another ship ever appear? Then, on a radiant morning, Ernest spies a plume of smoke on the horizon. A ship approaches, the promise of rescue at last. Rejoicing mixes with hesitation. The family gathers, their world divided between two shores, the island they built and the civilization waiting beyond. After soul-searching, Fritz and Jenny, hearts entwined with this land, decide to remain. Father, mother, and the younger sons prepare to journey home, bearing memories and keepsakes. As the rescue ship sails, the family bids bittersweet farewells, knowing whatever paths they walk, their story is one of triumph over tribulation. They did not merely survive, they flourished, drawing strength from one another, proving the power of love, courage, and unity. Here at Timeless Sparks, we cherish tales like these, reminders that even in isolation, the human spirit can build paradise. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to keep the spark of adventure alive. Would you stay on the island or return to the world?